Hello guys, have a good morning. How is everything going? I think the pandemic is almost over. And the people get busy, they go shopping, they are renovating their houses and buildings, which is really awesome. So I just came outside and I thought it would be nice to create a small video and send it to you. So I have a question for you guys. What would you do if you've got a problem? Would you think about it until you feel like you want to die, or would you just forget it and move on? What would you do? If you are a person who thinks about a problem until you feel like you want to kill yourself, you should do something. I mean, overthinking causes a lot of problems. So I want you to do this right away whenever you happen to have a problem. Okay? So take a piece of paper and write down your question on top of that. Okay? So you write the question down and you also try to come up with the solutions for that problem. Okay? And then you write down all the solutions you can come up with below your question there, and go through the solutions and try to find the best one for the problem of yours. Okay? And obviously that solution is the best solution out of all. You know what I mean? ප්‍රශ්නයක් ආවෙන් පස්සේ අපි හිතන එක නවත්තලා ඒ ගැන කරන්න තියෙන අංක එකේ දේ තමයි ඔයා ඒ ප්‍රශ්න ලියලා කොලේක ඒකට ගන්න පුළුවන් විසඳුම් ටිකත් ඒ යටින් ලියන එක. ලියලා ඒ විසඳුම් ටික දිහා බලලා එතනින් ගැලපෙනම ඒ කියන්නේ ප්‍රශ්නට ගැලපෙනම විසඳුම ගන්න. right? ඒක තමයි හරියම විසඳුම වෙන්නේ. ඒ අරෙන්න ඒක ගැන හිත ඉන්නකොට වෙන්නේ එතන මුකුත් වෙන්නේ නැහැ. ඒක ආගේ ශරීරයටත් අහිත කරයි. ඔයාගේ මයින්ඩ් එකටත් අහිත කරයි. කරන වැඩවලටත් අහිත කරයි. And also you can do something like this too. You can write the worst case scenario. The worst thing that can happen. Okay? I mean, due to that problem, what is the worst thing that can happen to you? You should write that too. Okay? වෙන්න පුළුවන් අහිත කරන දේ එතන ලියන්න. ඇත්තටම එහෙම වෙන්නේ නැහැ. ඒක නිකන් අපේ ඔළුවේ හදන බොරු මනස්ගතයක්. right? එහෙම දෙයක් වෙන්නේ නැහැ. අපි කරන්නේ මොකද්ද? අයියෝ මේක වෙයි අරක වෙයි. දැන් උදාහරණයක් විදිහට දන්නකෝ. වා rice cooker එකක් ගේනවා. Let's just imagine that you buy a rice cooker and once you bring it home, it does not work. ඒක ගෙදර ගෙනාම පස්සේ ඒක වැඩ කරන්නේ නැහැ. එතකොට ආයතන අයියෝ මේක මම ක්‍රිස්මස් ප්‍රසන්ට් එකක් විදිහට මගේ වයිෆ් එකගෙන ආප එකක් නැත්නම් මගේ අම්මටගෙන ආප එකක් එහෙම කියලා ඒකට worry වෙනවා. Right? You keep worrying about it because you just gave it to your mom as a gift or to your wife as a gift. Just keep thinking about it. You keep worrying about it overnight. But that does not give you anything. Instead of worrying, come up with some solutions. Okay, there are actually several things you can do. The first thing is you can actually bring it back to the shop where you bought it from, and you can just tell the problem to the manager there and have a new one. Or you can actually, I mean, since it's got warranty, ඒකට warranty තියෙනවා නම් ඒකට I mean කොහොමත් අලුත් එක ගන්න දුන්නත් ඒකට repair කරගන්න හරි පුළුවන්. අනිත් එක price එක ගැන කතා කරත් it should be around 5,000. right? ඒක රුපියල් 5000ක් වගේ වෙන්නේ. ඔයාලට නම් අලුත් එකක් ගන්නත් පුළුවන්. So next time whenever you feel like killing yourself because of a problem, don't do that. Don't do that. Don't think about it too. Write down the problem, write down the solutions, and try to come up with the best solution for your problem. That will take care of everything. Thank you for watching, guys. I will see you later. Goodbye.